Kill cockroaches with just a clove of garlic. No survivors. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Cockroaches crawling out of bed to snack at midnight will be terrified by a familiar spice in the kitchen. With just a handful of garlic, you can easily wipe out a whole nest of cockroaches in your house. Perhaps everyone has experienced the horror. Being thirsty, turning on the light in the middle of the night, suddenly seeing cockroaches running past. How creepy! Worse still, they leave disgusting traces of gnawed food. Cockroaches eat and vomit, crawling everywhere, contaminating food and carrying dozens of dangerous bacteria. They are the #1 enemy in the family. But surprisingly, you don't need toxic insecticides or annoying sticky traps. Right in the kitchen, garlic is enough to become a natural magic weapon against cockroaches. This spice that is only used to season dishes is extremely effective in dealing with cockroaches. Today, I will guide you how to use a handful of garlic to easily kill cockroaches and say goodbye to those annoying insects in the house. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare a handful of fresh, juicy garlic. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. You can slice them thinly with a knife or crush them with the back of a knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will help the spicy juice in the garlic to be released more through the cut surface. Crushing breaks the cell structure of the garlic cloves, allowing more allicin and volatile pungent substances to be released. Next, chop finely. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent smell. That is the sign that the garlic is starting to exert its insect repellent effect. The more carefully the garlic is prepared, the more effective it is at repelling cockroaches. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then put all the garlic in a clean bowl. Add 3 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. The surfactant ingredients in the dishwashing liquid will destroy the protective oil layer on the surface of the cockroach's body, causing them to quickly dehydrate, while also causing paralysis and poisoning. When the 2 ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water temperature will help the pungent active ingredients in the garlic to be released more thoroughly, while completely dissolving the ingredients of the dishwashing liquid so that the 2 work together more strongly. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl with plastic wrap and soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the spicy substances from the garlic continue to penetrate the water and completely mix with the active ingredients of the dishwashing liquid. After soaking, it can be prepared for use. If you have a small spray bottle, just filter the solution and pour it into it for convenient, precise spraying. If not, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour the solution in, then poke a few small holes in the bottle cap. And you have a simple cockroach spray. The water pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always wet, can contain leftover food, and also need to be treated. The dark, humid environment plus the potential food source make this place a safe house for cockroaches. After spraying thoroughly, the solution will penetrate deep into the gaps. When cockroaches crawl over, they come into contact with alicin and detergents and gradually lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. The kitchen counter is where cockroaches often look for food. Grease and soup splashed during cooking accumulate on the surface and in the crevices of the stove knobs, a delicious feast for them. When spraying, don't just spray the surface, but aim at the cracks that meet the wall, the edge of the table, and the hidden corners of the cabinet. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed. They quickly lose water and gradually die under the continuous impact of the solution, blocking their way to find food. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside of the trash can are often covered with leftover food and dirty water, making it easy for small flies to fly around the house. In particular, the crevice between the bottom and the side of the trash can is where cockroaches gather. Even the bottom of the trash can should not be overlooked. Spray several times to cover the hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of garlic will stimulate their nerves, and the dishwashing liquid will be toxic and kill them quickly. Combining the dual power of garlic and dishwashing liquid creates a protective net, leaving cockroaches with no place to hide. If you are worried that spraying the solution all over the house will cause it to become greasy, there is another, gentler way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Prepare a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda. The reason baking soda can kill cockroaches is because of its chemical properties. The cockroach's digestive system cannot break down baking soda. When eaten, baking soda will react with stomach acid, producing a lot of CO2 gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and explode. This is a safe, effective physical killing method that is also friendly to humans and pets. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Sugar acts as bait. Next, add half a teaspoon of detergent. Mix all three well. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweetness. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, making them lose their vigilance. The detergent and alkali in the detergent both increase the killing efficiency and destroy the protective oil layer on the body, causing cockroaches to lose water. The powder form makes the mixture easy to stick. Cockroaches can carry it back to the nest. Other cockroaches in the nest can also be infected when eating together or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and detergent into a white powder. Place a small dish in places where cockroaches often appear, in the corner of the cupboard, under the stove, next to the trash can, under the sink. Cockroaches are attracted to the sweet smell of sugar, will eat or bring it back to their nest. When swallowed, the gas reaction in the body occurs quickly, combined with the effect of detergent, causing them to die in a short time. The powder brought back to the nest also spreads to kill other cockroaches. Just leave it for a few days. You will see the number of cockroaches decrease significantly, a simple solution to the nuisance in the house. Have you learned how to make garlic spray and baking soda trap to kill cockroaches today? If you find it useful, don't forget to like, follow, and share this cockroach killing tip with your friends. I will continue to share more great tips in the next issue. See you again!